Hi, this is Prof. Jojo Pangan. Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Okay, so welcome to Business Research. So what is a business research? What is therefore a business research? A business research is defined as the systematic and objective processes of gathering data, no? Recording and analyzing data for aid in making business decision. So we could not come up with good decision unless we do what? Research. Even SM will be opening tomorrow.
Sir.
They do a lot of business.
Honey, sir.
What?
Accept daw si Honey, sir.
For a while, no? So, na-accept ko na lahat, Christian. Bakit ganyan? Wala na dito sa kwan ko. Oh, sige. Yan. Oh. Welcome, honey. Kumusta na? Miss Honey Villegas. Good afternoon.
Hi sir, good afternoon po. Sorry po, I'm late.
It's okay. No worries. No worries. Sabi ni Christian sa akin, i-admit daw kita. Sabi ko, saan ka i-admit to si Honey? Mahirap ngayon. COVID-19 pa rin, ano? Dito nga sa bahay, kung meron magkasakit, sige ka, i-admit kita ngayon. Saan? Sa hospital. Mahirap, no? So tomorrow, opening po ng SM. Before they do opening, so makiramdam sila, and also they do a lot of business researches, no? They also do conduct project feasibility study long time ago. Majority of the managers, the general managers and managers are my students. From time to time, they consult me about SM. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako, sino bang may-ari ng SM? Si Journal Pangan ba? Hello, class.
Henry C. Henry Sai.
Henry C. Yan.
Henry C.
Ginawa mo naman Gangnam Style, ha? Si Sai. Iba si Sai. Okay, so this is the definition. We could not arrive with better decision unless we do conduct business research, because again it is systematic and objective processes of gathering, recording, and analyzing data for aid in making business decision. You are future managers, leaders, so do not ever decide upon hearsay. Yung mga sabi-sabi lang ba? Sabihin niyo, si Sir Pangan, gwapo yan. Uy, hindi ko nga nakita yan sa personal. Diba? May nagsasabi, uy, wag ka. Siya yan nasa probinsyano. Uy, kalokohan yan, no? Diba? Those are hearsays. So, arrive with better decision unless, no, nag-face to face ka sa tao, you could decide, uy, totoo pala siya. O, ganyan, no? Okay. Are you still with me, class? Mahaba-haba ang kwentuhan natin.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
For the first period, class, this is what I do. No, supposedly, I'm going to lay down all the classroom policy about online class. I do 30 minutes only. After that, we have to have a break, and then we go to the second period. Kapag kulang ang time natin ngayon, gagawa ako ng Zoom schedule for 2 o'clock, no? Since 30 minutes lang ang binigay sa akin ni Zoom. Meron namang free account ngayon sa Ateneo, hindi pa ako nag-avail doon. Maganda sana yun para mahaba-haba. Pero mas gusto ko yung may health break tayo. Kasi alam niyo, class, nagkakaroon din tayo ng stress dito sa Zoom, di ba? Do you agree with me? Parang nag-break lang tayo ng 1 week, nandito na naman tayo. No? Na-under kayo sa akin first sem, ngayon balik na naman kayo. Why I was tasked to teach business research? Because I am a researcher, no? I had written my book, no? It's with Ateneo Research of it is called now University Research Office under Dr. Panagiton, no? Both me and Sir Maynard Bagtasos, we are both researchers of long time ago. So, dadalawa lang po kami. Yung ibang prof, they are still undergoing writing paper also. No? Pero yung sa amin is already published and we have presented it to the collegial body of the professors in the Ateneo. No? So, business research is the application of scientific method. So later, I will give you the format because those are standards, those are scientific method. In searching for the truth about business phenomena. No? So we cannot arrive with better decision unless we do conduct research. No? Because we want to know the truth. No? Para bang investigador, yung pulis, mag-iimbestiga talaga. No? Yung mga SOCO team, they have to investigate what's the case all about, no? Yan. Okay. So, it includes the process of coming up with an idea and theory development. Dito po, hindi na kayo mahirapan, I will lay down the title. Kayo na lang po magsusupply. Meaning to say, hahanap po kayo ng respondent. Mamaya may sample po ako. Meron na po tayong activity sheet. If you will notice, no, there is a business research activity sheet. Tapos po, ang ating learning management system ay ang ating My E-Class, no? Hindi tayo pupunta sa mga ibang learning management because the official and legitimate learning management system of the Ateneo is our My E-Class, no? Sa pasensya kayo, minsan nagda-down ang system but habaan lang talaga ang pasensya. And then we come up with the statement of the problem. Dito po, gagawa na tayo ng mga questionnaires and we have to search for and collect information. So maganda po ngayon sa online, meron tayong Google Documents. I-lay down na lang po natin yung mga questionnaires po natin, no, from our problem, and then we put it online, no, and have our respondent answer about the respondent, no, about the company that you are researching. Halimbawa ABC, mamaya meron yan sa aking activity sheet, no? And then if you collected the data, we do analysis of data, and then we communicate the findings. We have results and discussions and their implications and coming up with recommendation and conclusion. Of course, you are to work the three of you, no? Triad. You choose your own partner. I will let you choose. That's your independence, no? Independent po kayo mag-choose. By next meeting, presentation po ng title natin and the members of the group. Why we have chosen a certain company, no? Okay. So this is the content format of our business research paper. So I call this out from my own paper. This is a standard. Of course, first, business research title. I will be giving you the research title already, so that we will not find it hard, so that we will work in unison about our paper. Chapter 1, Introduction, Background of the Study. I have a sample of my paper, that's a PDF file in my E-Class, and I will let you show if we still have time now. Please do not share my paper because that is an ADSU property. We could be charged of intellectual property, no? Do not share it to the other school so that it will not be copied and duplicated. statement, no? A while ago, no? From the idea, from the title, we come up with the background of the study and then the statement of the problem, significance of the study, no? So later I'll show you a sample of all of this. Literature review, and then you have to write literatures about the company, come up with better, good conceptual framework. I am going to do an activity sheet, business research activity sheet for how we are going to come up with conceptual framework, no? And then definition of terms and scope and limitation. Okay? So next, chapter 3, that is methodology. First, we have research design, sample techniques. Here, wag na tayong magproblema, gamitin natin si Google Forms. I suppose some of you have used Google Forms already. No? Is there anyone here have used Google Forms, class? Hello po.
Hello po.
Okay, very good. So it's easier. And then after you feed all the questions, later who does interpolation? It's Google. Lalabas doon, may mga tables, may mga graphs na, so madali na lang po. So we don't need statisticians to do that for us, no? Chapter 4 is the results and discussions from these questionnaires here. We have tables, graphs, problems encountered by the company that you have interviewed. Marami pong mga online company ngayon. Kung meron kayong friend, yung mga local lang dito sa Zamboanga City, nagnanegosyo, nagpe-Facebook live pa yan sila. So they could be your respondent, no? And then solutions. So the last chapter is the conclusion. So implications, what does it imply, and recommendations and references. Okay, so this is my business research paper.
Sir,
So this is the paper that was written by your prof, no? Before, it is not SMA. It's called College of Commerce and Accountancy. But solid po talaga kami noon kasi dati with Dr. Benvenida, no? Professor Benvenida, our college is the center of development in the whole Region 9, no? Okay, now it's called SMA, School of Management and Accountancy. Later, I'm hoping that it will upgrade to School of Business and Accountancy. Magandang ganyan kasi social siya, pang international. So before, it was called Ateneo Research, Development and Planning Office, but now it's called University Research Office. Okay. Tagal-tagal na po itong paper ko, almost 17 years ago, but still this is a book already, no? So this is a sample of background of the study. I-download lang po ninyo yung file ko, makikita ninyo paano ginawa po. So konting introduction, no, blah 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 about the company. Kung meron bang ano bang mga kakilala ninyong online business na yon? Meron ba kayo yung sa pagkain, merong mga services, ganyan, no? So, sulat. Ito yung content ng chapter 1 po. Tapos, I came up with statement of the problem. So, dito na po, gagawa tayo ng mga, questionnaires. Ito po yung ilalagay natin sa Google Forms, no? Sample lang po to, ha? Sample po to. You could copy. I will allow you to copy. Yan. So, ito yung mga ginawa ko, no? Pwede natin tong gayahin din, pero mag-iiba na po yung company, no? Mga company na nasa online ngayon. So, that's the statement of the problem. No, dito tinatanong ko demographic profile of the vendors, business profile, ano yung specific practices. Ang focus po natin ngayon is the business practices po. Yan. So what are the problems encountered, what measures, what solutions do they do, and then ano ba yung nagawa ng membership nila? Yumaman ba sila? Okay. So ang mga respondents ko dito yung mga mga vendor po, no? So this is how we write our significance of the study. Who benefits the study, no? Ang significance of the study, no? Who benefits the study? The city government, the vendors, of course, the Ateneo de Zamboanga, the faculty, no? Those who will use this paper. So sa chapter 2 po, dito yung literature review, no? Story about vendors. Yan. So pwede nating i-google yung mga literature about, for example, ano bang plano ninyo? Nagpaplano ba kayo ng mga... Meron bang online seller ng ice candy ngayon? Class? Kasi si Jollibee at saka si McDo nag-go-online na rin, no? I heard one company, ano ba yung klaseng ice candy na yun? They are into online selling also. So, about ice candy, no, for example, so sulat kayo. Hanap kayo ng mga literatures about ice candy. Sample lang po yan, ha? Okay. Yung local online sellers lang po. Wag na yung... Ito yung sample ng conceptual framework class. No? So, the vendors, their practices, and is their practices, did it uplift their standard of living? Yan. So ito po, meron silang symbiotic relationship. Pabalik po yung ating mga arrows sa vendors po. Okay. So this is a sample conceptual framework. So ang gawin po ninyo, i-download ninyo tong file tapos po basahin ninyo, no? Pag-aralan po ninyo. Tapos nandito po yung definition of terms. Alam po ninyong gumawa niyan. No? It's a book that I'm writing. Scope and limitation. No? So dito po sinasabi itong paper na sinulat ko, the study pertains to the profile of vendors of Zamboanga City. No? It seeks to aim to determine specific business practices, use, and the problems which they met in connection with trading. So, ito yung scope and limitation po ng study. When we mean by scope and limitation, nakalimit lang po siya sa vendors po. Diyan lang po. Tapos it covers 3 kilometer radius of Zamboanga City. So tayo po hindi lalabas ng bahay. What we do is we do online research. Excuse me, using Google Documents. So ito yung chapter 3, methodology. Kung nakikita ninyo yung course outline natin, ito po yung mga content na nandoon, no? Nandito yung research design, sampling techniques, itong how you do data gathering. So dito po, hindi na tayo gagamit ng mga statistical treatment. Let Google Documents, Google Forms do for you, no? Okay, so madali na lang. Tapos fourth is results. This is a sample of results and discussion by table po. Si Google Docs, Google Forms, gumagawa siya ng automatic na ganito. So dapat lang po makomply yung questionnaire. Kasi kung hindi niya gagawin, wala, no? Itong mga ganito ginagawa ni Google to. And then by blocks to, mahaba to kasi this is my book, no? I was paid how much ba? No? Yung isang book ko was paid by the government 10 years ago or 20 years ago with 40,000 pesos. Malaki-laki na rin. Okay. So ito yung chapter 5. Sample po ito. Conclusions, implications, recommendations. Nandito po, mababasa natin lahat. No? So, and then recommendations. And of course, the last is our references.